Under land animals, the body is mainly divided into four parts: head, neck, trunk, and tail. The head bears eyes, nose, ears, and mouth. Next body part is the neck. The neck helps animals move their head up and down and left and right. The trunk encloses many body organs. The legs help in movement from one place to another. In some animals,